Example 3. Part A, x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed. Now, some people like to divide each term separately and do x to the power of 7 divided by x cubed and then x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed. I prefer to factorise the top so I can see what I can factorise, what I can divide top and bottom by. And now I can see that x cubed goes into the top. And if I divide the top by x cubed, I don't get x to the power of 4 multiplied by the bracket. I simply get x multiplied by the bracket. But in all honesty, this one's much more easily done just by thinking of that as being x to the power of 7 over x cubed plus x to the power of 4 over x cubed, which of course will give you x to the power of 4 plus x, which is exactly what I would have got had I then multiplied out that bracket. Okay, part B. Let's do this the simpler way then. The simpler way worked out for part A. 3x squared minus 6x to the power of 5. I'd factorise the top and bottom, but I think that's going to be ludicrously complicated. So instead I'll just divide the first term by 2x, which gives me 3 over 2 x minus 3x to the 4. I'll do it my way as well, just for the sake of it. So I'm going to factorise the top. This time, if I look for common factors in the top, I've got 3x squared, lots of 1 minus 2x to the power of 3, and all that is divided by 2x. Divide top and bottom by x and by 2 gives me 3 over 2 x multiplied by 1 minus 2x cubed. And if I multiply that out, I'm going to get 3 over 2x minus 2 3s are 6, so minus 3x to the power of 4, which is exactly, of course, what I got here. But again, I think it's simpler to divide each term in turn rather than factorising the top and factorising the bottom. Right, let's have a look at C. Okay, so we have got 20x to the 7 plus 15x cubed all over 5x squared. So I'm going to divide the first term by 5x squared, gives me 4x to the power of 5, and the second term by 5x squared. There you go. I fear that that way is simpler than my preferred method of factorising the top and bottom. So there's my answer for part C. Okay, and that's example 2. So example 3 completed.